Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north through Iowa on I-29 beginning in Fremont County. All of I-29 through Iowa is designated as the Lewis and Clark Trail. Exit 24 leads to the unincorporated community and census-designated place of Bartlett, just to the east of the interstate. Bartlett had a population of 50 at the 2010 census. Bartlett was named after Annie Bartlett Phelps, the wife of a railroad engineer. Bartlett was founded as a railroad town. Rail service was established between here and Council Bluffs in January of 1867. We enter Mills County, which had an estimated population of 15,063 as of 2018. The county was formed in 1851 and named for Major Frederick Mills of Burlington, Iowa, who was killed at the Battle of Churubusco during the Mexican-American War. The future county's first permanent settlement was Rushville, founded in 1846 by persecuted members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints as they were being driven out of Illinois. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. Exit 32 leads to the city of Pacific Junction on the railroad line just to the east of the interstate. Pacific Junction was established by the railroad in 1871 to serve as a western terminus of the Burlington and Missouri River Railroad, the eastern terminus of the Nebraska, Burlington and Missouri River Railroad, and a station on the Kansas City, Council Bluffs, and St. Joseph Railroad. All three were consolidated as part of the Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy Railroad, today BNSF. After several rough and tumble years of growth, Pacific Junction was incorporated in 1882. Pacific Junction's population peaked during the early 20th century with just over 700 people. Railroad traffic through town remains almost constant, although the town's connections to the railroad have declined significantly since 1971. As of 2019, Pacific Junction has an estimated population of 342. At exit 35, we see a crossing of US Highway 34, and US 275 will be joining our route at the on-ramp. This exit leads to Glenwood, the county seat of Mills County. Glenwood had an estimated population of 5,389 as of 2019. Glenwood is another town that was originally settled by exiled Mormons in 1848. Most of the Mormons had moved on to Utah by 1852, and the town was named Glenwood for a Presbyterian minister by the name of Glenn Wood. We pulled over at this rest area to install a new SD card in the camera, clean the windshield, and use the facilities. We didn't do a very good job with the windshield. Exit 42 leads to the city of Bellevue, which is to the west across the Missouri River in Nebraska. Bellevue is a southern suburb of Omaha, founded in 1855. Bellevue is the oldest continuously operating town in the state of Nebraska and the second oldest settlement in the state. As of 2019, the population there was 53,544. We enter Pottawattamie County, part of the Omaha, Nebraska, Council Bluffs, Iowa Metropolitan Statistical Area. The county had an estimated population of 93,533 as of 2018. We enter the city limits of Council Bluffs, and we'll conclude our video at the next milepost. We'll talk about Council Bluffs in the next video, as well as catch a glimpse of some of the local retail shopping and a detour into Nebraska. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.